Hi, I'm Lloyd and welcome to my channel all about making your home smarter with Apple Homekit. Hot off the press, introducing Aqara's newest hub, their USB-powered E1 hub, which was officially released in these markets effective today, October 26th. Not only is this Aqara's newest hub, it's also their smallest hub, not much larger than an average USB drive, and only weighs 58 grams. Making the move to Aqara has never been easier. I have a product link and discount code in the description, but first, what features does it have? Is there anything missing? And should you buy it? All of this information coming up. If you're not familiar with Aqara, they make reliable and easy to use smart home products that are compatible with a variety of smart home platforms. In fact, the E1 Hub works with HomeKit, Google Home, Alexa, and IFTTT, though I will of course be focusing on HomeKit as always. I initially didn't give Aqara much consideration, mainly because it wasn't available in Canada, and then later because I needed to buy a hub. When they did come to Canada, I'd hop onto Amazon and think, hey, there's an affordable accessory like a door window sensor, and it works with HomeKit from this company called Aqara. But I need a hub. So I end up paying considerably more for a sensor from another company, thinking that I'd save money because I don't need a hub. Then a month or two goes by and I pop back on for maybe a motion sensor this time, and I go through the same thing. I later realized that because of the cost of the other accessories, I'd actually pay considerably more than if I had just gone with Aqara and purchased the hub. Stick around and I'll tell you more about how Aqara adds value to their hubs. HomeKit products have always been more expensive than other smart home platforms, and that's a large part of Aqara's appeal. Yes, you need a hub, but once you have it, it's so easy and fast to build out your smart home because their sensors are so affordable. Though I would not recommend a product just because it's affordable, reliability is number one. It has to consistently work and work well. The more I've used Aqara, the more impressed I am. I've been very happy with the performance and reliability of all of my Aqara products, and in part, that's because of the hub that makes their products so dependable. These products communicate using Zigbee, which is both fast and reliable. I feel like this is a good time to thank Aqara for sending me their E1 hub to test out and review, though I also want to mention this will not influence my opinion of this product. If I have critical feedback, I will absolutely let you know. So let's take a look at Aqara's newest hub. Well, here it is. As you can see, it's extremely small, and as the name suggests, it connects via USB. This makes it easy to connect without being obtrusive. This simply connects to any USB port, such as a wall outlet with USB, or a wall charger. You can even connect this to the USB on your router or computer. Or if you have one of those 5-watt charging bricks laying around from an old iPhone, then that works as well. In fact, this is how I have mine installed. As you can see, it can easily pivot to keep it out of the way. I love how small it is, it's barely noticeable. And setup was a breeze. From the Aqara app, select the E1 hub from the list of available hubs. Then scan the HomeKit code and wait for it to connect. Once installed, I'm prompted to update the firmware to ensure I have the best performance. Once that's done, you're good to go and you can start pairing whatever child devices you have, such as a temperature sensor, wireless mini switch, or a motion sensor, just to name a few. This hub is super small and inexpensive, but does that mean it's less capable? The answer to that is no. As a hub, the E1 is equally capable with Aqara's other flagship hubs, like their M1S, M2, and G2H camera hub. This hub communicates using Zigbee 3.0 and is capable of connecting up to 128 devices. Though this device is compatible with all 4 alarm modes via notifications on your phone, if say there was unexpected motion or a door or window sensor was triggered. However, there's no speaker like there are on Aqara's other hubs, and no light like there is on the M1S. So something to keep in mind if the alarm feature is important to you. Trust me, I get the concern with having too many hubs, but the trade-off is performance, which is worth it in my opinion. I say the same when it comes to Lutron Caseta and Philips Hue. Thread is here, and if you've watched my videos, then you know I'm totally on the Thread bandwagon, but compatible accessories are still limited and typically cost more, at least for now. What I appreciate about Aqara is how they take something basic like a hub and they add value by including an alarm system, or nightlight, an infrared blaster, or even a 1080p indoor camera. I mean, maybe we have it wrong. Maybe you're buying an accessory that just happens to be a hub. I see the E1 Hub being for someone that doesn't need all the bells and whistles of some of the other available hubs, or perhaps someone who's just getting started with the Aqara ecosystem and wants to take advantage of all their devices and sensors. The one feature that I do have to mention that's unique to this hub is that it's capable of being a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi repeater. Within more settings, you can actually create a Wi-Fi hotspot where you can then connect up to 2 devices. This could be any Wi-Fi devices that are maybe further away from your router, so it could benefit from the boosted Wi-Fi. You can customize the SSID and password to make it the same as your main network, or make it something different if you choose. So really, while I hope this video has shown you the features and benefits of the E1 Hub, I also want to share how the affordability of these products make it even easier to enter into the Aqara ecosystem to build a reliable and affordable smart home. As of recording, the G2H sells on Amazon.ca for $89.99. The M2 is $74.99, and the least expensive Aqara Hub is the M1S at $64.99. The E1 Hub is available today for only $39.99 Canadian. That's pretty affordable in my opinion. Overall, I've been impressed with the product and its reliability. So to celebrate the launch of Aqara's newest hub, Aqara's provided a promo code that will give you an additional 10% off. The link and promo code is in the description and it's valid now through October 28th. Once you have the hub, you're in the ecosystem, and this opens up so many possibilities to explore, including door and window sensors, motion sensors, leak sensors, buttons, and switches. So many possibilities. And Aqara is always innovating and coming up with new products like the hub we discussed today, so you just know there's some new cool devices in the works. Maybe even some that could potentially benefit from the Wi-Fi repeater on the E1 Hub. With the holidays just around the corner, not only would these make great gifts, but it's the perfect time to smart home your place up and wow your family when they come to visit. I'll link an Aqara playlist in the description, which includes videos I've done reviewing their various hubs and sensors, so make sure to check those out. I'm also working on another Aqara video that I'm really excited about that will show off just how well all of these Aqara accessories work together, so keep an eye out for that to drop later this fall. Thanks everyone for sticking around till the end of this video. I appreciate you supporting the channel. Once again, if you're interested in picking this hub up, the promo code's good until October 28th. Thanks as always for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.